Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to the third day of January. Alright, today is 3rd of January 2026 and it's currently morning and it's Saturday, right? So I'm making this video to break down the trades I took for the week and how my account is currently at. Alright, if you're new to this YouTube channel, my name is MerlinFxng, and what do I do here? I document my journey right here on this YouTube channel. I share my process, my wins, and everything you need to know about trading. Alright, so if you enjoy this type of content, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell. And for trade signals, if you want to be getting trade signals, you can click the link on my bio to join my Telegram channel. There I share my trade signals every single day. You might be wondering why I'm putting on these glasses. The screen light on my laptop and my Dell monitor is affecting my screen, so my eyes. So I got this eyeglass because I've already had eyes issues. So the screen light is kind of making it hard for me to see everything. So I got this black glasses. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification bell, and let's get on to the video. Let me show you guys how the account is currently at and the drawdown I'm currently at. This video is not going too long, and at the end of this video make sure you watch till the end, because at the end of this video I have an important news for you guys. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Alright, let's get on to the video guys. Alright, what's up guys? Yesterday I showed you guys I'm on a trade on BTC. Fortunately, BTC gave me some profits right here. It gave me some profits up to this point right here, and it went ahead and stopped me out, and I lost this one on BTC. And I was also on a trade on Euro USD, but Euro USD is still running, but price has just been ranging within my entry. It has been ranging. Alright, so I've only taken 3 trades, I think 4 trades now on that account. Also currently I'm on a trade on Ethereum. Right here, as you can see, and it's running in profit. So yeah, these are the trades I have currently taken on this account. Let me show you guys the account and you definitely see the drawdown. I think I should be on a drawdown of about $60 or so. So I've been on a drawdown, but I believe I'm going to come out of that drawdown by consistency and discipline, accurate trade execution, and risk management. Very important. So let me log in my account. So I'm going to log in my account right now. Please, if you're new to this YouTube channel, do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell so that I can get notified whenever I post. Please do well to hit that subscribe button so YouTube can help recommend this video to a larger audience. Help me grow this YouTube channel. Alright, I've logged in my account, so let me show you guys my dashboard. Alright, you can see I'm currently on a drawdown of $69. Currently on this drawdown of $69, which is okay, which is still around the range of my daily loss. So I've lost $69. Hopefully we're going to bounce back. We're going to bounce back. So yeah, but currently I'm on a profit, unrealized profit, as you can see right here. I'm on a profit right here. So yeah, this is it, and this is how the account is currently at. So yeah, I believe I'm going to bounce, and I'm going to come out of this drawdown. Yeah, so that's all for today. I just want to show you guys my trade recaps for the week, and I've only taken 4 trades on that account, so we are not rushing. It's unfortunate that the first 4 trades were meant to be losses. I won't say they were meant to be losses, but it happens to be losses. All right, so we keep pushing, we keep moving forward. So the game is to stay consistent. I believe me, this year is going to be a fantastic year. I can already smell it and I can feel it. All right, this year we are going to be making payouts for sure. We are going to be making payouts, and we're going to be making massive progress. You just have to stay locked in. All right, so now I want to give you guys an advice. All right, if you're a new trader, you're just starting out your trading, whether this year or last year, now there are 3 things I would say you commit to. All right, the number 1 thing is you should get a mentor. I know so many people are saying it's only the mentors that are making money, while the mentees are not actually. No, the mentees are making money. Now the purpose of a mentor is to shorten those years of experience. Now those lessons you should have learned on your own, now that mentor is going to shorten it for you. It's going to give you his own knowledge and shorten that years of struggle for you. There is a saying that said mentors are cheat code to success. It doesn't really mean that if a mentor mentors you, you're going to be successful. No, once he mentors you, he's transferring his knowledge to you. It's now left for you to focus on yourself and build on that knowledge that he has given to you, and then develop your own experience, because he only shared his knowledge to you, he hasn't shared his experience. Now you are going to experience the market yourself and maybe use what he has teach you to gain what you know about the market, and join it together to form your own maybe experience, I would say so, or strategy, whatever. But you need to commit to a mentor. Now the number 2 thing is focus on learning before focusing on the money. This is one thing I wish I knew on my few months of starting trading. All right, you need to focus more on learning rather than focusing on the money aspect. Because why are you focusing on the learning? Because if you focus on the learning aspect, the money aspect becomes so easy. All right, once you learn something and you're good at it, the money becomes so easy. Naturally the money comes to you. All right, so you need to focus more on learning rather than the money aspect. Now the number 3 thing which so many people don't tend to do is you need to stop jumping from one strategy to another. As a newbie, I know we always have this guilt of I need to try all over other things to know which one works for me, and it's good to experiment all of that, but make sure you focus on one strategy, because every strategy works. It's you that doesn't work. All right, every strategy works 100%. It's you that will not work, because maybe you're trading SMT or SLP, depending ICT, whatever, and maybe you make money in the first day, the second day you're losing, the third day you're losing, you are going to say, oh, let me try this other strategy, maybe it's going to work. You are trying to avoid losing. All right, now you need to accept loss, because in trading you must lose no matter what. Even the pro traders lose money. All right, so you need to accept loss and build on that, or focus on one strategy and build consistency on it. All right, thank you guys for watching, and if you're watching this video up to this time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that I can get notified whenever I post an important video. Trust me, this year is going to be massive, guys. It's going to be massive, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Please stay sharp, stay blessed, stay focused, and stay locked in. 2026 is going to be our year of massive payouts, massive cash out, and massive success. Stay locked in, guys.